Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have reversing sensors. This car's got a reversing camera as well. 7 seats, all in place currently, so you can see the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. You can also see the parcel shelf and the charging cable for the plug-in hybrid element of this car. Folding the seats down is easy. Lift that up, you'll see the headrest fold down, and then you can fold the seat into place. And that'll give you an idea of how much boot space you have as a 5-seat vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer, and you can see the total miles for this vehicle. They are 25,680. On the right-hand side, we have the gauge that will show you how much of the hybrid power you are using. We've also got our battery charge level over there and fuel gauge. And in the middle of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, of course, and we are in park currently. If we back out to the steering wheel, there's a button just here that will change the information that's displayed up there. So you can have your trip computer, media information, phone, or navigation. We've also then got voice activation here. Cruise control on the left-hand side, and in the centre, the main touchscreen for the car. So there is one button that will take you back to the home screen, which is a screen we are currently on. From there, it all then becomes touchscreen. You can access your satellite navigation, as you can see. So nice, clear colour display. Really easy system to use. You can access your audio menu. Down here, we've got FM, DAB and AM radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well once you paired your phone, which is done under the phone heading. We have a car status menu, and then we have our climate control at the bottom. So you can determine the fan speed along the bottom here. You can turn the system off, of course. You can adjust to any one of these fan speeds you wish to. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. Air conditioning is on at the moment. You can turn that off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature that you have set, and you can override that whenever you wish to. And then, of course, you can adjust the fan speed and temperatures down here as well. With the main volume for the stereo, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and this dial will start and stop the engine. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the service paperwork that we have for the vehicle, or paperwork in general, in fact. So you can see the V5 registration document just there showing it's a one-owner car from new. In the envelope, we have the spare key, so 2 keys in total, and then the service book for the vehicle, showing its pre-delivery inspection in 2021, and then services in 22, 23, and 2024, all at Volvo main dealers. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.